Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Inscribe token. Now the Inscribe token just got two brand new central exchange listings. Ticker symbol INS. We're going to go over the information on the Inscribe token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. Let's get into this token here. So you can check them out on Etherscan. Name of the token Inscribed. Ticker symbol INS. It's an ERC20 token on the Ethereum blockchain. Max total supply 100 million tokens. 18 decimal places on this token. And there is a, right now, 2,744 holders. So you can most likely get this token off of Uniswap, although I have not tried. That would make sense. It's an Ethereum token. Decent amount of holders. But it just got two new central exchange listings. So on February 2nd, this token got listed on xt.com or XT Crypto Exchange. And on February 2nd, it also got listed on Poloniex. So you can get this token in many different ways. You can download Poloniex or XT from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, or get them on your PC. Open an account. Fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search INS, and then simply just buy the token. Or you can fund your Trust Wallet or MetaMask wallet with Ethereum, go into the dApps, find Uniswap, and then trade your Ethereum for the INS token using the contract address that you can find on their webpage, inscribe.app. Sure, it's listed on here somewhere. It's on their Etherscan, obviously, that you could find even in their new listing announcements on those web pages, xt.com and Poloniex. Their Twitter, as usual, I'm going to put in the corner of the screen over there, at inscribe_app, blue verified checkmark, 84 tweets. Over there, you can find a full link tree as well. That's just going to take you anywhere you need to go. They have over 21,700 Twitter followers, and they just joined in December 2023. It says the first cross-chain marketplace, BRC20 plus every chain, automated web app plus bot, multi-chain indexer API. It says they're also followed by LBANK, so that would lead me to believe that either they already have an LBANK listing or they're in the works of getting one. So lots of places you can get this token here. So I'm sure there's even more than that as well. Now, Inscribe emerges as the leading protocol in the world of data embedded within blockchain transactions, aka inscriptions, offering unparalleled ease of use and limitless possibilities for users on EVM blockchains, BRC20, CBRC20, Doge Chain, Injective, and every non-EVM chain, making inscriptions accessible to everyone in a single click, operating seamlessly on Bitcoin, Ethereum, Avalanche, ZK Sync, Binance Smart Chain, Arbitrum, Base, Phantom, Gnosis, and Polygon in its 0.1 version. Inscribe ensures effortless interaction with users' preferred networks. Unified liquidity, simplified user experience, multiple chains, Inscribe. So in the constantly evolving landscape of inscriptions, Inscribe emerges to redefine the boundaries of cross-chain interactions. Inscribe is designed to integrate EVM blockchains such as Avalanche, ZK Sync, BNB Chain, Polygon, as well as non-EVM chains like Bitcoin and Dogecoin. The cornerstone of Inscribe's offering is its cross-chain marketplace, an unprecedented and innovative platform where inscriptions minted on any supported network can be listed for sale. Inscribe's marketplace is the platform where users can perform transactions using their preferred wallets and tokens, regardless of the blockchain on which the inscription resides. For example, a user with an Ethereum-based wallet like MetaMask or Rabby can use ETH to purchase any inscription listed on Inscribe's marketplace. This includes inscriptions native to other blockchains such as BRC20s on Bitcoin. Inscribe manages the complexities of these transactions, including bridging funds between blockchains, executing the purchase of the native blockchain of the inscription, and ensuring the inscription is deposited on the corresponding native wallet of the buyer. Inscribe's marketplace enables users to interact with blockchains that they are not natively part of. A Bitcoin wallet holder, for example, who is not present on Ethereum can acquire an inscription on Avalanche without worrying about integrating this blockchain with their adapted products, EVM wallets, gas tokens, etc. This capability not only broadens the reach of all types of users within the inscription ecosystem, but also improves the liquidity and dynamics of the market between chains. Inscribe simplifies the complex mechanisms of cross-chain transactions, offering a user-friendly and efficient marketplace. With Inscribe, inscriptions become more accessible, open to all without limitation, unified liquidity, simplified user experience, multiple chains, one marketplace. So they have the Inscribe web app and Inscribe bot. Inscribe's web app and bot are designed for the most active minters. Inscribe's suite of tools revolutionizes the way you mint, store, and manage your inscriptions. They also have automated minting on EVM and Bitcoin, chains like Polygon, Avalanche, BNB chain, etc. Inscribe Telegram bot for minting everywhere. Secure storage and easily transfer. Intuitive web app and connectivity. And they have the Inscribe Indexer, multi-chain inscriptions indexer. Then they also have the revenue model that they go over. So basically for Bitcoin transactions, minting and deployment of transfer. For EVM transactions, deployment and transfer and minting. They have the protocol economy, protocol governance. And yeah, you can check all this out. They have some team information, security, socials. All this information is on their document section. If you go to inscribe.app, at the bottom of the page, there's a document section, a Twitter, a Discord channel you could join, and a Telegram. You can also enter the app at the top of the page. Check it all out. Poloniex, xt.com, Uniswap's tokens getting listed all over, maybe LBANK. Go check it out. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.